Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online quiz system, and this is Android application as well as web application. So I have used Android Studio for developing the Android app, and for web application I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as PHP and MySQL for developing this project. You can see. So this is the Android Studio, and I have used Android Studio for writing the Android application for creating designs and all things. I have used Android Studio for connecting Android Studio means Android application with backend means MySQL system. I have used the API, and all of the API we have developed in PHP. Right. So this project comes with API as well as the web application as well as Android application. Right. So let's start with the functionality. Go through that what we have developed inside this project. What the functionalities are there inside the project. Right. So for running this project, just open the project in Android Studio. And there are, if you get the folder, then there will be three things. The first one will be the database. Second one will be the Android app, and third one will be the web application, right? So you can run the web application on the Jam server. For running the Android application, you can use Android Studio, right? So once you run the application, you will get this home page where the application, after entering the user ID and password, you will be able to access the internal part, right? So internal pages. So the user ID is Amit at the rate, or you can say student and TES test. Once you log inside the system, then you will get this page. This is the dashboard, right? So that user ID and password has been validated through API from MySQL database, right? Okay, so this is the dashboard. From here you can take the quiz, my result, my profile, all of the operations you can perform. Let me go through one by one, right? Even in the navigation pane, let me show you. Yeah. In the navigation pane, you will also get the home, my results, my profiles, about, change password, and logout, right? So this is the my results, and you will be able to see all of the results you have attempted for the quiz, right? So if you want to see the details, then you can click on that result part. You will be able to see the result details, right? This is the click on the back, and after that, uh, this is sorry, I think there is something problem. Okay, so this is the my result. This is my profile, from where you will be able to see your profile details, right? Here you can see your profile details. uh, this is my result and change password. Once you click on the my change password, you will be able to update your account password. Right, this is the about us, right? And the change password and the logout, right? Once you click on the take quiz, right, you will get all of the question paper which is associated with your profile. Means at the time of registration you will choose a course. In that course, how many quiz are available in the backend, all of the quiz will be displayed here, right? So currently we have two quiz, the PHP quiz and the Java quiz. Any you can choose any of the quiz, right? Once you click on the PHP quiz, it will ask all of your, it will show all of the questions, and with the options you can see there are four options and there are five questions you have to attempt, right? So select, okay, you can select the questions, and after that, once you reach on the last question, it will ask for the done, right, button, and once you click on the done, then it will show you the result. So it's showing that you are failed because the result criteria is for the 50%. If you get 50% marks, then you will be passed, else you will be failed, right? So after attempting the result, you can see your result in the my result section, that you can see this is the my result section, and you uh, got 20% marks. It means you are failed. So this is the admin panel. Sorry, this is the Android application, right? And for registering on the system, uh, wait, let me show you. I think there is something happened. Uh, yeah, for registering on the system, right? Click on the logout, confirm, and you can see this is the new registration here, right? If you don't have the user ID and password, you can click on the new user and you can enter your details here, right? And this is the course title. In at the last you can see the course title here, right? You can see select course, right? From this button you can select the course, right? According to that course, right, all of the quiz which has been created by the admin in the admin panel will be displayed on your profile, right? So from here you can register yourself. If you want to upload your photo, you can upload it also, right? So this is the Android application. Now comes on the web application. So this is a web application. I am running this web application on the Jamp server. So the user ID has been and password is test. Once you log inside the system, so teacher, not admin, teacher test. And once you log inside the system, you will get this dashboard, right? Here you can add the classes, right? And any number of classes you can add, means like a graduation, MCA, BCA, BSc, IT, all of the classes you can add here, right? This is add quiz. From here you can add the quiz, right? So quiz title will be here, select class will be here, descriptions, you can add the descriptions, right? Okay, so this is a report, this is a class report, all of the class which you had will be displayed here, right? Quiz reports, all of the quiz which you had will be displayed here. So you can see there are two quizzes are here, right? And both quiz belongs to the BTech class, right? Means if any student register with the BTech stream will be able to see this quizzes, right? If any student register with the MCA or BCA or other classes will not be able to see the quizzes, right? If you want to add the question in this quiz, just click on the add question and you will be able to see add questions, right? Okay, if you want to see all of the questions, then click on the view, you will be able to see all of the questions which has been added by admin, right? Means teacher. Okay, so this is a quiz report again. Sorry, on the quiz reports. If you want to edit the quiz, just click on the edit and you will be able to edit the quiz information. Right. This is a student reports. All of the students who has registered will be displayed here. You can see all of the students who has registered displaying here. If you want to delete it, just click on the delete. After that student will be deleted from the database. Right. You can see that student has been deleted from the database. Right. This is the my account. From here, you can update your account details and those details will be updated into the database. And this is a logout. Once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed and you will not be able to access the internal page. So let me show you logout. Then you can see menus are not coming. This is the login page again. And if I log in again, then the menu options are coming, right? So these all applications I have developed inside this project. These all functionalities I have developed inside this project. The quiz app, and as I told you earlier, it is web application as well as mobile application. And web application we have developed in PHP and MySQL, and the mobile application we have developed in Android Studio. And the database I am using is the MySQL database, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, if you want some enhancement in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.